how would you like to make an extra, at least $67 a day? Now, if you use the methods I'll be teaching you in this video, you can make 67 a day or even larger sum of money every single day. It is simple, it is easy to do, and it takes about 30 minutes of your time every day to do this. Now, before I get started into how to do this, first of all, I want to thank you for watching this channel. Please, if you enjoy the content of this channel, subscribe to this channel. It is very important for me. I can produce stuff for you only if you subscribe and watch the channel itself. 2. More about me. My name is Sergey. I teach over 100,000 students on Udemy, and by watching my channel and watching this video, I'm offering you a few free classes to get started. I have a few affiliate marketing classes as well. Everything is going to be provided in the link right down here below, or maybe up there above, and you can grab those classes on my website. Now, let's get started with making some real juice and money. So the way you go about this, you become a member of affiliate marketing. I'm going to be showing you in a second how to do this and the specific method how to do it as well. If you do it exactly how I teach you, the specific method and everything else, you should be able to make at least $67 every single day, or even larger sum of that amount. Now, it is all really up to you how much money you're going to be making, because as an affiliate marketing, it is all about the effort that you put into this. Without further ado, let's get started. So the way to make and get $65 per day is simply to join the Bluehost affiliate team. By joining the Bluehost affiliate team, every single person who signs up for Bluehost, you get $65. Why Bluehost? It is one of the best ways and the fastest way for you to get cash and get paid. Now, there is other sites that do affiliate as well. They might actually give you more money. But the great thing about this is actually proven to actually pay you cash. Some other sites just promise money and don't actually give it. This is one of the biggest and most reliable and the best sites for you to grab and get money by every single person who actually gets started with a Bluehost account. Now, there's actually a class that I cover about how to make money with affiliate marketing. One of which covers Etsy affiliates, another one that covers Amazon Associate Affiliate Program as well. Those are two main programs that I actually cover, along with another one which is AliExpress. So AliExpress Affiliate Program is the third program that I actually cover. So I have 3 different classes for you to check out in case you're interested in how to market your affiliate business. So the first thing we're going to be doing is exploring Bluehost marketing. Are you excited? I am as well. Let's do it. So the first step that you have to do, you need to go and find businesses that are local and next to you. So what you do is to go to Yelp, press on and type in New York right here. This is my city, or close to my city as you can get to it. And here it doesn't matter what kind of businesses you're gonna check out. So here is some pizza businesses, and you can just go into any line of business anywhere. It doesn't have to be local, it doesn't have to be next to you. First thing that you're doing and checking out, you're going into the business itself and you're checking if they actually have a website. So this one actually does have a website right here. So you're going into the website and you're checking. So this is a great one. It has a nice website. It doesn't need a hosting service for it. What we are trying to do is to find places, and there is a lot of those places that don't have a website to them. So New York City might be not a great place to get started because most of those businesses do have online presence. On the other hand, if you're going to something like Kansas City in Kansas, it's very unlikely that those locations are going to have any actual websites provided to them. So those are actually food businesses, but you can get into all kinds of businesses over here. So we can check nightlife, we can check home and service, and so on. Look at this nightlife right there. You can check all other kinds of businesses that you want. It doesn't have to be restaurants, nightlife, and other things here too. Takeout, reservations, restaurants, dinos, entertainers, movie theaters. There's all different kind of businesses all around. In fact, by going into the city itself, you can check out if they have online presence and what kind of presence they actually have too. And you can go and zoom in into the map and see what they have in here. So we do search in the map area, and it's coming up with every single kind of business around that location, which is going to be mostly restaurants, unless you go and you type for the exact type of business that you're looking for. So let's say you want to get a massage, so massage therapy right here. You're just typing it in Kansas City. And now a lot of those businesses don't actually have a website to them. So this one right here, right now, here's one. This one does have a website. Let's review it. Sometimes they have pretty bad websites. That's a great website, by the way. So we're going back in here, and you have to check that. This will take you a bit of time to go through this. You have to go through a lot of different places. You have to go and check them out until you find a place that doesn't have a good website. And if it doesn't have a good website, or it doesn't have a website at all, then you can contact this specific business and you can talk to them. Or of course, if you go into the website itself and you see that it is a terrible website, you can do another thing. And this is another cool way to make money. You can go to Wix.com and you can actually create your own website for them from scratch. And I created a bunch of them myself for some of my clients and myself as well. There was actually a class about that too. Now, another place that you can go and you can find businesses that don't have websites is to go to Google Earth, and you can zoom in any place on the planet. I do suggest United States. It can be any specific city, doesn't matter which one it is. We are just gonna go zoom in into Georgia right here, and we can zoom in anywhere we want. We are zooming in into whatever city that we found. We found this one in Douglas right here. So this city itself, we just keep on zooming into it. And what's going to happen is that it doesn't matter what place you go into, there is going to be a lot of different businesses around there. So the places are showing up on the map with Google Earth. All you have to do next is just to click on the businesses or type of locations that we have here. So there we go. Georgia Technical Institute. Premium Properties. So this is a business. So here's Premium Properties, real estate agency without a website. What kind of real estate agency is this? So I already found one. Here's the phone number right there. We just have to find the correct phone number to call for that specific zip code, and I can call that place up and tell them about, hey, listen, you should guys get a Bluehost, because Bluehost is a great place for you to create your own website and so on, and to host your, premium service at a discount, and you can send them an email. You have to do this for a lot of places really to get some commission. The best way for this is to find a bunch of different websites. Look at this. This one has, this is some kind of location. It doesn't even have any identification to it. So by going into those very small towns, it's very likely that you're going to be finding businesses that don't have any online presence. Look at that. Blockbuster Express. I don't know if that's actually part of actual Blockbuster or not, because that whole Blockbuster chain went out of business. Family Dollar, that's a big store. There is no way you can do anything with that. But you can just keep on checking all kinds of different places. And here's a drugstore right here, and so on. Here is Savannah, Georgia. This is a little bigger of a city. We're zooming right in here. There's a bunch of different businesses. You want to try to locate a main road that has a lot of them, where you can get a bunch of them all at once. Here is a big road right here. There's a lot of pictures and other places too here. We are zooming right in and just pressing on the pictures right here. What do we have here? Do we have any restaurants? We have something AutoZone right there. Fashion Tree. What's over here? There's a restaurant. There's actually a restaurant here. And this restaurant does have some kind of an online presence with really bad reviews to this. So maybe the website is also bad as well. You press on the website to check it out, and it doesn't look this great either.
So yeah, you can definitely design for them a website, because look at this, it does no justice for this site. Really, take a look at this. There's no food. It doesn't show anything. Why would anybody want to buy something if they check this website out by them not seeing any food? So here is a good primary candidate for something like this. So definitely this is great for designing your own website to them, using Bluehost as a provider and sending them information about this where you can get the affiliate for that, and maybe even create them a website using Wix itself, which is so much simple and easy to do. Here is another thing, Spin City Laundromat, and nothing here whatsoever. Oh, there it is. Okay, Spin City, Georgia. There is a phone number too. What do we see here? That's not too bad. I mean, it is bad, but not too bad. So sometimes you find something like this and I mean, let's skip that. So here it is. You got a few methods for you to go about this and Yelp, and you have to do a lot of, you know, searching for different kind of things and searching for maybe bed and breakfast, delivery, takeout, coffee and tea. This could be interesting, coffee and tea right here. And maybe you have to go through a place that has a lot of bad reviews too, just to check it out. Look at this. I don't know what this place is, but let's just check and see what it is. Now, this specific location in the middle of nowhere does have an interesting enough a website to it. So let's go and look, and it is terrible. Really, really terrible. Old-fashioned kind of a website. They really should use a way better website than that. There's a few pictures here and nothing much going on for this website. I feel really sad for them. They really need to get into something much better. In fact, it looks much better on Yelp than on the website itself. It does them no justice whatsoever. I would be calling up that place and trying to create a website for them for a very small fee on Wix itself, or of course set them up with an affiliate with Bluehost too. So there you go. That's the way you go about this. You have to go through a lot of places, call a lot of numbers up, but yeah, it's not that easy to make 67 every single day. It takes time, it takes persistence, it takes some work to do this. And yes, if you can get a few places to pay you at least 200, 300 bucks for creating them a website, you have to negotiate with them. You go into the business, you start calling. Look at this, look how many numbers we have up here. All you have to do is to check every single one of them up, give them a phone call them up and ask them, but make sure you look at the website. Don't just go about and give a phone call until you see if this website is worthy and you really need to fix it. So here we go into another one. Look at this. If I was gonna call this company up, they would be like, I have a great website, I don't need your help. And they definitely don't, because this is a very nice website for that specific company. So there you go, there you have it, all the great and different ways that you can go and make money with Bluehost and Wix itself. If you want to check out some of my online classes in the links as well, remember 30 days to check them out all for 10 bucks, and if you don't like it, you can get a full refund. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. See you on the inside and can't wait to teach you more. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I really love teaching you guys about how to make money online. This is my passion, this is what I do.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and please put a comment right below. Tell me what you think of it, tell me how to improve it, and also give me a thumbs up if you like the content that I just showed you. If you want me to make any more videos, you have to tell me what you want me to cover, and of course I would love to see you to become a member of my channel. Make sure you press subscribe, put the post notifications on so you never miss another video from me. Have a great day.